Let me give you a simple task to find the product whose buy price are not between 80 and 100. So just take 1 or 2 seconds and think. So here we are using not between. So let me copy this code. So this will give you all the records which is having the buy price between 80 and 100, but we do not want that. So instead of between, so you can use not between 80 and 100. So if you execute this, you get all the records which is either less than 80 and greater than 100. You will not get the records which is in between 80 and 100. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Keep learning.